All right, welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be going over one of my business ventures that I've been a part of for the last few months, and I'm having some really good success with it. I want to share it with you. It won't be for everybody, and I know that, but there are many of you that are searching for that online business that they want to get involved with, and they want it to have a good commission structure. They want it to be a good company that they can get involved with. It's not going to be here today and gone tomorrow. And just a nice trustworthy company that offers really good products that you can share with your audience and build up a actual online business. So I want to share with you the Home Business Academy, but more specifically, this video is for those that have heard of Home Business Academy, or HBA for short. And but you're kind of curious about the affiliate program and what really does it consist of and what it has to offer. So I will get into a couple things just to for those that don't know what the Home Business Academy is. And so what it is the Home Business Academy has been around since 2016. So that's over 5 years now. Just in June, they've hit the 5-year mark. And how many companies do you know that have come to exist and then they're gone after a year or two, maybe 3 years if you're lucky, they survive, and even the good ones survive to 4 years, but none of them make it to the 5-year mark or higher. In this, now this was developed by the co-founders were involved with multi-level marketing companies, but they're just getting, what I just said, of the fly-by-night companies that change the payment structure and the affiliate commission structure without any notice and without any say-so from the affiliates. They just change it overnight. Oh, we're taking more of a commission from you. So now you're not getting 30%. We're going to cut it to 20% now. And so, they finally just got fed up with it, right? When you're building a business like this, you want it to be around for the long haul, you want as much longevity as possible. You want it to be around for decades. And so that's why they left those other companies, and they were top earners in those companies, so they know how to build this business the right way. And they went and formed the Home Business Academy program, which has been around over 5 years, and it has two co-founders that have a very good foundation, very good knowledge in the business, and most importantly, they care about the affiliates, and they realize that the affiliates make the company what it is. And so they give back as much as possible. And that's what we're going to be going over in this video. So we'll just keep moving on. So who is this program for? Again, I kind of mentioned it. It's for people that are online, that are searching for a way to make money online, a way to build a business, an actual real online business that is affordable, that doesn't cost thousands of dollars a month or thousands of dollars even just for an initial cost to get started. You can actually start this business for as low as $25, which is amazing, and I'm going to go over that in a minute. But this is for serious marketers, people that are serious about building a real online business. They're not just trying to sell one product and make a few commissions and then move on to the next project or a product, or move on to the next shiny object. This is a real business, a real product that's going to be around for more years to come, and you can start building your business today with this business. So this is for serious people that want to build an actual business. So I do think that this is for people that are serious, that are willing to spend at least $25 a month for the long haul, and they want to build a real business. Don't get into this if you're just looking for that next thing that will get you through that next day or the next week. This is an actual real business. And so it's for, in my opinion, for people that are a little bit more serious about their business. So what is the compensation plan or the commission structure, right? So the best way that I can outline this is actually going into a whiteboard that I just created. And I created it to save time in the video, but essentially what you're going to be getting in the commission structure is 80%, which is higher than any other company that I've been a part of, that I've ever seen. Most commission structures are 10, 20, 30%, and maybe for companies like this, maybe they tap into the 40%. There was another funnel type software that started its commissions off at 40% for a long time. But then guess what? In the last year and a half, they shortened that and took away the 40%. And goes back to all that commission structure changes that these companies make. They'd want to just take more and without notice, basically, they just change the commission structure. And now it starts off at like 20 or 30% now. I'm not going to put any names in this video of those other people, but you probably know who I'm talking about. And so this company just goes completely overboard. Like, you will never see another company like this giving out 80% commissions. It's insane. So it's a great company to be involved with. So what you get is, you're going to get the front end product that is pretty much a must if you're going to get involved and get a membership. It's the funnel builder, and it's only $25 per month, right? So you have $25 a month, and guess what? If you sign up for $25 a month, then you sell this funnel builder to one person, right? You sell it to, whoa, it's a big arm. You sell it to one person, then you get $20 of that, because that's 80% of the 25, right? So you're going to get $20 every time. And this is not just one time. This is actually monthly, right? So this is a month. And if you can see where I'm going with this, is that now you're building a business that you don't have to start every month off. You're not starting every month off at $0. And then how am I going to make enough money and enough sales to make $3,000, $4,000 that I need to make this month? You build your business month after month, and it continues to snowball. It's going to snowball and get bigger and bigger and bigger, right? And so you have the $25, you sell it to one person, and then you make a $20 commission. And it's not one time, it's for every month so that they stay paying for that. You get a $20 commission for that, right? And I'm going to get back to this because this is not a pyramid scheme. They have a very, very unique payment structure where this is not a pyramid scheme. People that sign up underneath this person, right? So they sign up somebody, you don't get any of that commission, right? And that's why they're able to keep this 80% commission structure and to get away from that pyramid scheme type business plan where, you could sign one person up and then they are the $1 million earner and then they make this person rich. That is not how this company works. And that's another great thing to get why you would want to get involved with the HBA Academy. So you get that. And then there's the next level, which is the HBA premium membership. And that's $120 on top of the 25, right? And so once they sign up for that, then you would get 80%. You would get $100 commission. And this number, it might be 125 or 120. I'm not certain. So don't hold me to that, but it is around 120, 125. And then you get to keep $100 commission every time. So then now you're getting $100 from one person. If they sign up to premium, they're going to have the funnel builder and they're going to have the premium, right? So you're going to make like 120 right here, 120 off of each person that signs up underneath you, right? So let's just look at scenarios real quick, and then I'm going to get back into answering some of those other questions. So if you had 30 funnel builder sales at the $25 mark, right? So you'd have 30 times $20 commissions, right? You'd be making $600 per month reoccurring. So that means that the next month on the first, you're going to automatically have $600 in your wallet from not doing any more work. You sold it one time, and then you're going to be making $600 a month, month after month. That is the beauty of this kind of business structure. Now, let's just say you signed up 30 people to the premium and the funnel builder. Now you're going to be making $120 off of one sale, right? So you sold one time, $120 times 30. You're at $3,600 per month, and it's reoccurring, right? It's reoccurring commissions. So every single month, now you're making this money right here And then you can just double it. You can just keep making sales and working on your income. So that's what I really, really like about this, this affiliate commission structure. So the 3 best selling points of the company. So you, again, you get 80% commissions. No other company is doing this. I went over that. You have an amazing front end product at $25 per month. There's other softwares just like this, but this one actually is more powerful, and the other softwares cost $100, $200, $300 per month. This one is just $25 per month right out of the box. There's no upgrades. You get everything. You get membership sites. You get payment processors built in. You can build any kind of page that you want with the software. It's amazing. And so that is one of my favorite parts of the company and of the product. And so, and then this company is already outlasting other companies that were similar. They care about the people that are involved with the company that come in, and they give a portion of all the sales to Feeding the Hungry program. So you're doing a good cause every time you make a sale. You're actually helping to feed the hungry across the world, which is awesome. And they even are very transparent about this. They even share with you month after month how much money is actually going to this company. And you even get, actual real reports from that company as well on how much donations are being, made. So really, really awesome stuff. So what products are in the HBA program? I did, go with the 2 top main ones, but the front end product, $25 a month funnel builder. That's what you want to start with. And then there's a premium traffic and conversions monthly. It is $120 a month, but you get a $1 trial for 7 days. So you can really see, there's all kinds of goodies that you get. If you get the premium, then you can get some done for you funnels, and there's weekly live calls with the company, and you even get to see and be mentored by the founders of the company. That's another unique thing. There's no other companies where you can get on an actual face-to-face call weekly with top earners and multimillionaires, which is really, really cool. And then you have the Financial Literacy Academy. I don't have this product yet. It's $1,000 one-time payment, but you would earn $500 commissions if you made a sale on that and you own the product. But this is for when you get to a certain level. So a top tier training, but not needed until you get to this point in your business where you're really looking at investing, stocks, and retirement and all that. That's where this academy training is going to come in. So it's going to be perfect for you at a certain point in your business, but it's not a necessity to get started. So other products that are not musts, but are great to get you going even faster. And I have these products. These are all one-time payments, by the way. And so you get the Freedom Launchpad is $27, and you earn 80% commission on all this stuff if you own it and then you sell it as well. This one is actually the funnel. If you click the link below, I'll leave both. I'll leave one that goes directly to the funnel software for you if you want to just jump right in. I'll also leave a link that will take you through my Freedom Launchpad funnel. You'll get to see the funnel that I'm using that you get that's a done for you funnel. And then also, you'll be able to go and sign up under me, and for free, you can just see what I'm doing to bring people into the business. And then, you can sign up if you like what you see. So the Freedom Launchpad, $27. And then there's a 50 email swipes written by a pro copywriter, and that's $37 one-time fee as well. And I have that as well. So if you're interested in checking this out, click the link in the description. This is not a pyramid scheme. People that sign up under you do not make sales for you. You make what you put into the business. You build your online business from your own efforts. And that's what I really like about this company. You don't bring in John and then John goes and signs up 5 people, and all those 5 people, you're getting a portion of those sales. It does not work like that. You only make money on your own direct sales that you make. But then you want to be a good coach to people. And so they will stay with the business, and you want them to be successful and succeed. This is the way that these companies should have been built all along, because you want to keep the people that sign up underneath you, and you want them to be successful. You want them to get sales. You want them to build their business, and you want to coach them as much as you need to coach them. So then they build their business and they stay in the program. And when they stay in the program, you make money monthly off of that person, right? So it makes total sense. So I have a private training vault that you get instant access to if you decide to pick up just the $25 funnel builder software. If you're trying to make money online, then you must have a funnel builder. Save money and get this powerful tool. I give you one-on-one coaching. So for more information, click the link in the description. I also will drop my Home Business Academy playlist so you can learn even more. So appreciate you watching this video. And if you like the video, hit that like button, and I will see you in my next video.